Hey guys, today's Wednesday, August 9th of 2023, U.S. session close. Wow, look at that volume. You can look all the way back to January, and the highest we went actually was here. June 15th, that's the highest we went right here. And look at today, we beat that. We beat that right here. Compared to that, look at that. Look at that volume of the bulls. I did not expect this. I was looking at a model and it was kind of like leaning like, man, it could turn here. But then all of a sudden, boom, boom, boom. Look at that. Now, where are we at? We're in the bear camp. The bears control this whole area right here. Don't get too excited. I took some off the table. I'm happy. I'm happy we got up here. We didn't get to kiss 302, but we were very close. Pulled back. Can it continue going grinding higher? Yes, it can. One thing I learned from MSJ, he says, assume that the direction is going to continue going higher until it shows that it's going to turn. And that's where I'm leaning at. But I did take some off the table. Just because I'm seeing this area. It's going to be very interesting. Let's look at some other levels here. I don't want to make this video too long, but I'm excited. Well, obviously, we got a PPS buy signal on the monthly. Key levels on the monthly to watch now. These are levels I haven't even talked around. 318 all the way to 328. Positive. Looking like it's getting positive there, but definitely positive. And we're already hitting the linear regression channel, the midpoint, and we penetrated that, so that's looking good. MACD is positive. Volume for the week past hasn't climbed up all the way to the volume of the week of July the 10th, but it's getting there. And we're only Wednesday, so it could probably continue pushing higher. Very overbought, yes. We blew right through the linear regression channels. Look at that. Right through it and hit high here. I wouldn't be chasing it if I were you, but to each their own. It's not my style. You would have been just buying here and waiting for this to happen and then lock in profits or get out. But to start chasing it here, I don't recommend it. But you can do whatever you want to do. But I wouldn't. I took some off the table and I raised my stops. So if it comes right down crashing, then I got stopped out and that'll sit in the sideline, but I was kind of waiting for a big move to at least test this, not 1002, but the 302 area, which is right here. Let's go to levels because this is the important stuff. Daily's positive, weekly's positive, monthly's positive. These are all midpoint charts. As you can see, we blew right through that trend line. Be concerned, and we hit stops. I mean, we hit stops like you don't even believe it. There was a whole bunch of stops here, and they got triggered. And now we almost kissed that, but it doesn't matter if we kissed it or we almost kissed it. The key is that we did this explosion to the upside. Now, the thing that's important is it going to continue? It can. I wouldn't be surprised if it pulls back, but then it kind of grinds higher. As you can see, there is no levels to watch. The only thing is for the daily now. As long as we can stay above 289, things are looking good to the upside. This is a 301 high. Targets to the upside is 308 all the way to 314. But so far is looking good. Now on the bigger picture over here, you got this pivot right here. And that was July. Actually June, you can see that we hit it right there. So you got this pivot right here, which is 306 and all the way to 325. So those are the targets if this is going to continue. 306, 320, 325 on the bigger picture. And keep an eye on Friday's expiration, which is, I believe, the 21 or the 18th. They could kind of keep going here and then really explode it. So keep an eye for 18, 21. Because then from there, maybe they could unwind, lock in profits, and then they'll tank it. So, but that's expiration Friday right here, anywhere between 18 and 21. Look at the square 9 before I sign out. We were hovering around here, and I thought this was going to be it, and we were going to go back down. But you know what? It exploded past 289, past 298, and hit 301. Wow. Right off, close to 302. Can it grind higher? Yes, it could grind higher. 307. And then we could get to 307, 316 to 325. So these are your bigger targets, 325, 316, 307, back to 301. But if it stalls here and it goes back down, then 298, 361, all the way to 352. So those are the targets on the square of 9. Hopefully you had a great day. Hopefully you were long and you weren't short. And don't be greedy. Take some off the table, put some in your pocket, in your account, and ride, whatever you have left. I took some off and I'm riding this wave, but I got my stops raised up even higher. So this weekend it's gonna be a big video because this is important. If it grinds higher, then we got to look at bigger levels and look at the square of 9, look at the Gann square, squaring of the range and all that other stuff, and start to see where could be the other targets, and also including the Elliott wave. If you like this video, hit subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll keep you posted on my thought on natural gas.